It is tough to plan how to get somewhere if you don't know where you are going. So your purpose, one of the major essence of your purpose is to bring clarity to your challenges during confusion and uncertainty. For instance, now, what is the aim? What is the purpose of creating a chair? Simple. The purpose is for people, so that people can sit down on it. That is the purpose of creating a chair. Your purpose will determine, okay, where you are going. It will help you during confusion. So, for instance, now, if I get a wood and I want to build a chair, I get that wood and I want to build that chair. If I don't have a purpose, if I don't have something in mind regarding what I want to accomplish with it, I will be frustrated. So there's something I have in mind. Okay, I will design this chair in such a way that to be able to accommodate a person whenever he or she wants to sit down on it. So another thing we'll be looking at is make sure you have a clear purpose. Let your purpose be clear. Let your vision be clear. Not just hearsay. Let it be clear. Let it be definite. Let it be precise. So another thing is a crucial aspect of making your goals work for you and reaching your value target is to plan. I know it sounds outdated, planning. The one we plan in 2024, but believe me, there's nothing like planning. Plan. But it's the truth. You have to plan. Small plans, huge plans, precise plans, general plans. Make them. Write them down on paper and have a mental image. Now, let's 25. I have a plan. I will have a plan that I want to buy a Mercedes Benz. Let's give it a name. Let's just say maybe I want to buy S-Class, S400, S-Class, that Mercedes Benz. So if I want to buy that, I have to plan towards it. Plan towards it. Have a mental image about what you have in mind.